Here you are, having a good time, at a party, small gathering, or just having a drink over dinner with your friends. You're enjoying yourself. A few drinks in, you start to feel itchy and abnormally hot. You go to the bathroom. You look into the mirror and you realize you have the Asian flush. You're thinking to yourself, why me? Why right now? Well, approximately 50% of all East Asian descent has this genetic mutation, which is caused by a protein enzyme called aldehyde dehydrogenase 2, or ALDH2 for short. Let's break it down using the process of protein synthesis. It all starts in your cells, where instructions reside. The ALDH2 gene on chromosome 12 is supplied. During transcription, DNA is the script, copied to mRNA before it makes the trip. Initiation begins with polymerase in place, binding to the promoter, unwinding the base. Elongations proceeds, nucleotides align. RNA builds the strand step by step in time. Termination occurs as the process concludes. The mRNA strand is perfectly tuned. Post-transcriptional mods make it pristine. Splicing out introns keeps the sequence clean. A cap and poly A tail are added for defense. Then the mRNA leaves crossing the nucleus fence. Next up is translation, in the cytoplasm zone, where ribosomes wait to make proteins their home. Initiation kicks off as the ribosome binds. tRNA matches codons, their anticodons aligned. Elongation proceeds, amino acids are brought, building the enzyme step by step as it's taught. When a stop codon appears, termination's begun. The ALDH2 enzyme is finally done. rRNA guides, making sure all is precise. While tRNA carries aminos, it's a system so nice. This process of protein synthesis codes for a normal ALDH2 protein, which converts acetaldehyde into acetate, which can be used for acetyl-CoA in the Krebs cycle. This protein is responsible for the physical traits of energy. However, this still doesn't explain why you're looking like a Food Basics tomato. See, normally when you consume alcohol, this protein enzyme does its job. The ADH protein enzyme turns ethanol into acetaldehyde, and the ALDH2 enzyme turns it into acetate. But a common mutation in the ALDH2 gene is known as ALDH2 allele. This mutation leads to a deficiency in the enzyme aldehyde dehydrogenase 2, which is responsible for metabolizing acetaldehyde, toxic byproduct of alcohol consumption. As a result, individuals with this mutation experience a buildup of acetaldehyde after drinking. This causes the facial flushing response, often referred to as Asian glow. This physical trait can look different in others, some with only minor redness, and some people who try to steal honey from a bee's nest.
You like jazz?
Oh my God! The ALDH2 mutation is a single point missense mutation, where guanine is replaced by an adenine at position 1510 in the ALDH2 gene. The complementary base pairs are now altered, which changes the triplet codon, leading to a different anticodon tRNA strand to touch the rRNA. The ribosome then produces a different amino acid within the peptide bonded chain, folding up into a faulty ALDH2 protein, which is inefficient. The ALDH2 protein mutation has both harmful and beneficial effects. Firstly are the health risks. Impaired alcohol metabolism causes acetaldehyde buildup, leading to flushing and nausea. People with this genetic mutation have a 700% more chance to have esophageal cancer due to DNA damage. Then there's the social impact. Discomfort from alcohol may lead to social challenges in cultures where drinking is common. Beneficial implications include alcohol protection. Discomfort from acetaldehyde buildup discourages excessive drinking, which we all know can lead to bad decisions. This also reduces addiction risk of alcohol. Evolutionary advantage. The mutation may have protected against alcohol-related poisoning in certain environments. The ALDH2 protein gene is controlled by regulating how much mRNA it produces. Proteins called transcription factors attach to certain parts of the DNA near the gene to increase or decrease its activity. For example, when the body is under stress, the gene might produce more ALDH2 to handle harmful substances. Sometimes chemical changes like adding methyl groups to the DNA can turn the gene off, which happens in some cancers. Overall, the ALDH2 protein enzyme, when mutated, is responsible for the physical characteristics of the Asian glow. When the enzyme is not mutated, it is responsible for creating acetate, which produces energy. Alright, quit yapping. Now get back to that party.